Guys, this is Shelby with Downeast Shipping. Today I have a quick video on how to use Schneider's new FreightPower app. So it's this orange one here in the bottom right. The app is still brand new, so it's still a little slow and buggy, but I'm sure they'll get that worked out. We're going to start here at the bottom with our toolbar. We have Home, Search, My Loads, Manage, and more. So on this app, you can post your truck, you can search for freight, and you can also instantly book freight without having to call and negotiate with a broker. So that's really nice. We'll start with this search function here at the bottom. You can select your trailer type at the top. I'm going to stick with dry van, but we also have these other options. And then you can set your pickup origin. So let's go to Charlotte, North Carolina. We'll keep our deadhead radius to 100. Let's make our pickup date tomorrow. And I'm going to keep my delivery to anywhere, keep my options open, but if you click the plus sign, you can see that you can set a destination and a destination radius there. And you can also set a delivery date preference. So with all that in there, we'll click See Results. And here we have a few different options. So say I was interested in this first load, I could click that. Since this is a drop-in hook, they want you to contact for price. One thing I'm noticing is that drop-in hooks you have to call, but live unloads like this one down here, it gives you that rate. So if you click a live unload, you have the option at the bottom to book now. So if you click that, that automatically is your load and it goes down here into this My Loads tab. So when you're in this screen, you can't see too much information about the shipper, but you can see the shipper information once you've booked the load. You go down here to My Loads, and you'll find everything you booked here and driver assigned and everything that you're working on right now and in transit. There's a couple other features that are cool about this app, and one of them is the Watched tab. So if you click on a load, and maybe you're not sure you want to take it right now, maybe you're going to look a little bit more, what you can do is click this eye in the top right. And then if you head down to your Home tab at the bottom, and then back up to the top, you can click Watched. You'll see that load in there. And if this load gets booked, it will automatically be removed. So you can see all the things that you're watching right here in this one tab. Another thing you can do is post your truck. So back on the Home tab, here under Recommended, we can click Add Capacity. And then we'll click Add. And we can post our truck where we are, what day it is, and just save that, and we'll get some recommendations. Another cool thing about this app is that over time you start to get recommended loads based on the things that you commonly search for or add to your Watched tab.